Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to today's video. Today we are cooking gizzard and Irish potatoes in one pot. Kindly cut your turkey gizzard into your preferred shape and size, and also note that the list of ingredients and spices used for this recipe will be listed in the comment section and also in the description box. I seasoned my gizzard using thyme, curry powder, all-purpose spice mix, ginger and garlic mix, onions, and my seasoning cubes. And not also forgetting my salt to taste. Kindly note that you want to cook your gizzards until they are soft. Here the star of the show, Irish potatoes. So I'll be cutting my Irish potatoes the same size at which I cut the gizzard. And I'll be cooking this in the meat stock. As you can see, all this broth was gotten from the gizzard. I did not even need to add any water to it. Here I am shallow frying my gizzard. I'm not deep frying them before I sauteed my onions and tomatoes. I also want to note at this point that if you have not liked this video, I do not know what you're waiting for. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and be a part of this family. I'm just heightening the flavors by adding some curry and some all-purpose spice mix at this point. Before going in with my gizzard, I love my pottage very, very thick. That's why I'll not be adding any water or meat stock to this. But if you like your porridge a bit light, I will advise you add meat stock at this point or water. Before going in, and I added my boiled and properly cooked Irish potatoes. All that combination with my vegetables. This doesn't need any more salt or seasoning cube. I'm not a salt fan, and this was so delicious. It was divine. It was divine. You really need to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my other videos. For now, stay good, stay calm. Bye.